Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Ajit Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East.
Today we have going to learn Standard 6th
लेसन नंबर 3 तृतीयः पाठः मम विद्यालयः my school. In this lesson we have to learn the form of the pronoun etat. Etat means this. Children, already we know the definition of pronoun. संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयुक्त होने वाले शब्द सर्वनाम कहलाते हैं. The words which are using instead of the noun are called as pronoun. छात्र हिंदी भाषा में सर्वनाम सीख चुके हैं. And you all are also study this topic सर्वनाम in Hindi language. संस्कृत भाषा में मुख्य सर्वनाम है. The main pronouns in Sanskrit language are etat, tat and kim. From this we learn about etat. The form of the etat are eshah, esha, etat. Before this beginning of this lesson, we have to study about the giving word list, means Shabd Parichayah, which is given on the opposite page of this lesson, and the topic is Vidyalayah, means school. Here we see the name of some persons and many things which are related with school. So let us see their name. Pradhanacharyah means principal. Adhyapika, female teacher. Pustakam, textbook. Chhatrah, boy student. Chhatra, girl students. Sanganak yantram, computer. Adhyapakah, male teacher. Kaksha, classroom. Kridasthalam, playground. Shamapatah, blackboard. Patrika, magazine. Udyanam, garden. Okay children, write this word list at least 2 times in your notebook. Now we turn towards the lesson Mama Vidyalayah. The first paragraph, Eshah Mama Vidyalayah. This is my school. Eshah Sudhirah. This is Sudhir. Eshah Sudhirah Gachati. This Sudhir is going. Here highlighted word Eshah is pronoun which is in masculine gender. Pronoun always depend upon the noun. So whenever we show pronoun with noun, then they both are same in gender, case and number. Gender means ling. Case means vibhakti and number means vachan. Pronoun eshah show masculine gender prathama vibhakti ekvachan. And for this form of the etat, we use noun also in masculine gender prathama vibhakti ekvachan, which is shown ending in ah. For example, eshah vidyalayah, eshah sudhirah. In these sentences, nouns vidyalayah and sudhirah are ending in ah. We take more example from word list. These nouns are in masculine gender and these are ending with ah. So we say eshah pradhanacharyah, eshah chhatrah, eshah adhyapakah, eshah shamapatah. Okay students, got this point? Now next paragraph, esha mama kaksha. This is my classroom. Esha chhatra. This is girl student. Esha chhatra pathati. This student is reading. Here highlighted word is Esha. This is pronoun which is in feminine gender, and whenever we use this pronoun, then also we show the nouns in feminine gender prathama vibhakti ekvachan, and these feminine words are ending in a, like Esha kaksha, Esha chhatra. Here the words kaksha and chhatra are ending in a. We take more examples from the word list. Esha adhyapika, Esha chhatra, Esha kaksha, Esha patrika. Okay children, and the next paragraph. Etat kridasthalam. This is playground. Etat mama mitram. This is my friend. Etat mitram khelati. This friend is playing. Now, here highlighted word is etat. Etat pronoun which is in neuter gender, and whenever we use this pronoun, then also we show the noun in neuter gender prathama vibhakti ekvachan, and these neuter words are ending in like etat kridasthalam, etat mitram. Okay, for more examples we take from the word list. Etat pustakam, etat sanganak yantram, etat kridasthalam, etat udyanam. These all are in neuter gender. Now, we see the summary of this lesson from Pathabodah. The first point is Pathata, read. Eshah Vidyalayah, Eshah Adhyapakah, Eshah Sanganakakshah. Here we see the pronoun Eshah used with the noun which are ending in aha, means in masculine gender singular. The next, Esha patrika, Esha mala, Esha kaksha. Here also we see the pronoun Esha using with the noun which are ending with the a, means in feminine gender singular. And the next is Etat chitram, Etat kamalam, Etat chakram. Here also we see the pronoun etat using with the noun which are ending in means in neuter gender singular. Got this point? Okay students, from this given information, solve the second point from the Pathabodah. Uchitam padam likhata. Write the correct answer. Here we have to write the proper name of the given pictures, and they show first school bag, then one girl student, next textbook, then male teacher, then magazines, and last one is flower. So we write here Eshah syutah, Esha chhatra, Etat pustakam, Eshah adhyapakah, Esha patrika, and Etat pushpam. The third question is Melanam kuruta. Match the following. Here I show you the answer. Etat kridasthalam, Eshah manushah, Esha adhyapika, Etat phalam. And the next one is Vyakaran Bodah. The question number 1. Vikalpebhyah uchitam uttaram chitva varna sanyojanam kuruta. Join the letters. Student, this topic we have done in last year. Varna sanyojanam. Join the letter with proper way. The first answer is atra, second vidyalayah, third patrika, fourth krida, and the fifth is kamalam. The next question number second. विकल्पेभ्यः उचितं पदं चित्वा लिखत. Write the correct answer. Here also we write the proper form of the pronoun with noun. So first guess the form of the noun. First one, balakah. The word balak ending with the ah. So this is masculine form. So we join here eshah. So we say eshah balakah. Second, shamapatah ending with ah means we join here eshah. Eshah shamapatah. Third, balika. The word balika ending with the a. This is feminine words. So we join here esha. Esha balika. Like that we say esha utpitika, etat pustakam, etat pushpam. Okay, clear this question? Now the next third question is swaparichayam likhata. Write self introduction. This is only for our general knowledge. Mama nama. Here you should write your name. Then mama kaksha adhyapika. Write here the name of your class teacher. Next, mama vidyalayah. Write our school name. And mama mitra, any name of your friend. So children, here we have completed the lesson with exercise. Now note down all the question answers in your notebook and revise this topic very well. Thank you.